Hey, how's it going? I'm here to show you this cat tunnel, which is also a bed, a cat bed. We have 4 cats at home, and Penny and Minnie are smaller ones, are the ones that are actually using this the most. Not only because it's super soft, as you can see right here, it's a super soft fabric. They love this place actually, but also because they can actually use it for scratching as well. You can see this, right? But as I was saying before, it is super soft. It is a cat tunnel, but they also get it inside as a bed. Sometimes they're also sharing because they can see kind of like play inside and come from one side and from the other. But mostly they're on top of this one and inside like 2 at the same time. I really like the fact that it's super easy to assemble, just like that. It has a zipper, and that's pretty much it. And let me see if they want to cooperate right now for the video and get inside. So Minnie really likes to be on that cocoon inside as well, but she really likes this spot right here on the top. I don't know why, because it's more for small cats. I want to say she's pretty small, but we have Penny, which is way smaller than her. Our 2 males, they don't fit right here, but they are 2 20-pound cats, so that's why they don't fit right here on the top. But they fit inside here as well. They use this to play. Sometimes they chase each other right here on the centerpiece right here in the middle. So we kind of like throw toys sometimes or treats or something like that. But for sleeping, they really like this part right here on the top. Let me see if I can find Penny and put her on top as well. Well, she's playing somewhere else, but at least this is Minnie enjoying this really nice cat bed tunnel, but also kind of like cocoon. She really likes it. I think it's a great product for them. Super soft. They can also scratch it. Super easy to assemble, and they have the tunnel as well to play as well as sleeping. I hope this was useful for you, and you can get it for your cat family or your fluffy family. We like it. We do recommend it. Thumbs up for sure. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye, Minnie.